Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I create a consistent AI generated character using Leonardo AI completely for free, no paid subscriptions, just leveraging Leonardo AI's free trial on ChatGPT to keep our character uniform across multiple scenarios. So let's get started. Open up your browser and head on to Leonardo's website. Get started, sign in with any of your account. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. Go to image creation. Now copy my settings. In the model, select Lucid Realism. Style should be portrait. And image dimension to 16:9. Now time to enter the prompt. I'll leave 3 example prompts for you in the comment section. You can use that. Now let's use those prompts. First prompt is this. Just hit on generate to get the images. These are the results. Now for the second prompt. And now for the third prompt. Now time to select our base character. For me, I like this one, so I'll be using this face as the reference image. So now let's head to ChatGPT and ChatGPT. Upload your reference image and ask him to use this face and create different situations for our character. This is the prompt I used. You can describe your character's situation like this. And you'll get this kind of generation. It's not 100% accurate yet, very close. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching till now, and do hit the subscribe button, it means a lot.